Friends, normally people are very interested in small cap funds due to their high returns. And now we also have the option of micro cap mutual fund. See, if we compare the returns of these major indices, we can see Nifty Microcap 250 index has given the highest return of 86% in last 1 year, which is way higher than Nifty Small Cap 250 index also, which is 64%. But wait, last year we did not have any mutual fund for microcap investing, but now we do. Motilal Oswal Nifty Microcap 250 Index Fund. This index mutual fund tracks the Nifty Microcap 250 index. This microcap index fund started in July 2023. Currently, its AUM is around 860 crore. It has an expense ratio of only 0.38%. Tracking error of 0.24% and exit load 1% if redeemed before 15 days. Motilal Oswal Nifty Microcap 250 Index Fund has not completed 1 year also yet. So if we look at last 6 months returns, it has given 25.47% returns, which is higher than category average returns of small cap funds also. But this is a very short duration and we cannot decide on the basis of last 6 month or 1 year returns. So two important question arises. Number one, does this microcap mutual fund has higher return potential than small cap funds? And number two, should we invest in this microcap index fund or is it too risky and not worth it? So let's do a detailed analysis and try to find that out. First of all, what is microcap? This index we can say consists of the next 250 stocks that comes after Nifty 500. The weightage of the stocks in the index is based on free float market capitalization. On the screen, you can see the current top 10 holdings of this index as on March 2024. The largest stock in this index has a free float market cap of about 7,300 crores and the smallest company has 427 crores, but then its weightage is only about 0.07%. Now time for return analysis, where we will compare Nifty Microcap 250 index versus Nifty Small Cap 250 index. See friends, you will not find much data on Motilal Oswal Nifty Microcap 250 index because it was launched in July 2023 only. So where to take the data from? Well, we can access the historical data of the microcap index from NSE's website, and for detailed analysis we can take the help of NSE's research paper, AMC's investor presentation and scheme information document. Now, if we look at last 15 years annualized returns from 31st December 2008 to December 2023, we can see that Nifty Microcap 250 index has outperformed Nifty Small Cap 250 index and Nifty 50 over the last 15 years. And the returns are also looking pretty good. But this doesn't show return consistency. For checking consistency, we need to analyze rolling returns. So let's look at average rolling returns data. It is based on data from last 15 years from 31st December 2008 to December 2023. Now, Microcap Index 3-year rolling returns 15.5% means in last 15 years, if we pick any 3-year time period, then the index has most likely on an average given 15.5% returns, which is higher compared to 13% of small cap. Microcap's 5-year rolling return is also higher than small cap. Some people might wonder 15.5% isn't that appealing considering microcap. So please note that this was based on last 15 years data, whereas the performance of small and micro caps has been better since the last 10 years. So looking at this, we can say that microcap index has shown higher returns consistently in the past compared to small cap index. So yes, it seems like Nifty Microcap 250 index does have higher return potential than Nifty Small Cap 250 index. But do remember, past performance cannot guarantee future returns. But what about risk? For that, let's analyze volatility and drawdown. Let's look at drawdown comparison. The light blue line represents microcap index, grey line small cap and dark blue large cap. And we can see whenever the market was down, microcap saw deeper drawdown compared to small cap and large cap. And the drawdowns were for longer period also compared to small cap. Like in the month of March, when we saw Nifty 250 index fall by about 13%, during that time Nifty Microcap 250 index saw more correction of about 16%. So we can say that during down market, microcap index is likely to correct even more than small cap index. Plus, the annualized volatility of Nifty Microcap 250 index is also higher over the whole of 15 years compared to Nifty Small Cap 250 index, clearly showing microcap index is also more volatile. So yes, we can say that Nifty Microcap 250 index does have the potential of giving higher returns than small caps, but at the same time it is also even more risky than small caps. Recently seeing massive inflows in small cap funds SEBI expressed its concern and directed AMCs to protect investors from bubble in small caps. And here we are talking about microcap, which we saw is even more riskier. So what should we do? Should we invest in Motilal Oswal Nifty Microcap 250 index fund or not? Well friends, if I want to invest in small cap funds, ideally my investment horizon should be at least 7 years. So if someone's investment horizon is less than that, then it's better to stay away from microcap index fund. On the other hand, if I'm looking for a long-term investment of 7 years or more, then I may allocate up to 10% maximum in microcap mutual fund and invest through SIP. Another way is, instead of investing in the whole basket of 250 microcap stocks, we can look for individual microcap stocks and buy at low valuations. But yes, that does require detailed research on the stocks. So friends, I try to show my analysis and my personal opinion on this microcap index fund, but I am not SEBI registered advisor. So make sure to do your own research as you are responsible for your own money. If you learned anything new in this video, make sure to hit the like button, and for more educational content, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end.